Yo guys, here's another walkthrough video using Node.js. Real quick, Node is a JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside of the browser. It's mostly used to code backend of applications while still remaining in the JavaScript language. The last two videos showed how Node can be used to create a README document and an HTML web page. Now we're going to expand on that and going to use Node to capture and store input data by the user. The example that we're using is a simple note-taking app that you can see here, which allows users to create notes and save notes and also delete them, and it's all reflected in real time. So we can go ahead and get started. We'll run a new terminal, make sure Express is installed. Good to go there, and then we'll run the As you can see, we're good on our port. We'll go ahead and make some notes. Let's make a grocery list. Eggs, bacon, almond milk, water, cheese, pineapples. Yes, pineapples do go on pizza, side note. Oranges, bread. Let's put some chicken on there. You guys get the point. And then that note is saved and it's reflected in real time here. So we can go ahead and make another one. Let's make a list for our monthly finances. So we have our car note, insurance. We have our rent, of course, cable, utilities. What else do we have? Credit cards, student loans. You guys get the point. So we'll go ahead and save that here. Again, it's reflected over in real time. And lastly, let's do top 5 NBA players. LeBron James, absolute goated. Everyone knows that. Kevin Durant. Put Giannis in there. Definitely have to put Steph in there. The Joker. And let's go ahead and throw Ja Morant in there now, because he's balling. Everything is saved in real time again. And then as you can see, we can delete these notes and that'll be reflected as well. So that pretty much wraps up the walkthrough. I was really excited to learn about Node and Express as I was doing job hunting for web development jobs. Pretty much every posting required the Node framework. I have a few weeks left in my bootcamp. I'm going to keep making walkthrough videos of our projects that we do for class. I've had a lot of fun with it. Obviously, it's going to make my portfolio stand out as well. But most importantly, I've enjoyed taking this information and being able to share it. Anyone looking to get into web development, feel free to reach out to me. The main thing to remember is it's never too late and you're never going to get everything at first. That was something that I had to learn the hard way. But I've overcome it and something that I just learned to deal with. So just keep your head down and keep going. But that's all I have right now. Thank you guys. Appreciate everyone watching, and feedback, support, all of that is much appreciated. And we'll see you in the next video. Later.